example. This one has a line and 2 points. Now notice the vector right here in blue. We take the line and the 2 points and we slide it. We shift it, and you'll see the new position is the red. Everybody see that? Pretty basic. All right, here's one. They actually make the vector have they put little boats, I guess, to help you see it move. But here's another rectangle with a line and another line. This is a line segment. And again, it shifts. And you see that it translates up kind of northwest. If we talk mapping terms. All right. And then we have one more with an angle. Notice the angle. And here's the vector down here in the bottom left. We also have a line. Now I want you to see something really important on this part. Do you see that when they shift it, they put these tiny little apostrophes next to the letter? Does everybody see that? Let me put it up a little bit bigger for you to see. Do you see that?
No.
And so from now on, when you shift an object, you must denote it. The shifted object must be denoted with a prime. This is called prime. You'll use it a lot when you get into high school math. Okay? So if I shift my A this direction, then I'm going to now call A prime. If it's a point, point A, and I shift it, it's not going to be called A, it's going to be called A prime when I move it. So you'll notice here that they renamed the angle. Instead of angle O, it's angle O prime. Okay? And the line, the L, is now L prime. See that? Pretty straightforward. Okay? Very important that you denote it that way. Now I want to show you one more thing, and then we're going to take some notes. You'll notice I have another map here, bridge map. And I show you a couple of properties about translating. Notice today is all about translating. We're not going to be working on rotation or reflection. And so there are a few things you need to know. First of all, yesterday, remember when you were writing on your board, some of you were trying to reflect a heart into a triangle maybe? And I said you can't mix them. They have to be like shapes, right? So when you're mapping line to line, ray to ray, segment to segment, angle to angle. Pretty basic there, pretty straightforward. And then preserve. What does the word preserve mean? Trench, what does the word preserve mean? Just in general, what's that word mean? Save something. Will, were you going to say that?
I was going to say to like make it last.
Make it last, preserve it, okay? And so what's going to happen is when you move a segment, don't change the length. Don't change it. As much as you can, when you draw it, keep it the same. Angle, if it's an acute angle, keep it acute. Don't make it obtuse. If it's 30 degrees, when you shift it or slide it, keep it 30 degrees, okay? So those are a few new things today on the poster. Now we're going to put them in our notes. So let's get our notebooks out, and we're going to take some notes.